Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely opening your device and handling the components. Start by powering off your Lenovo 15ACH6 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. As you lift the cover, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now locate the charging port on the motherboard. It is typically situated near the edge of the device. You may need to disconnect a few cables to gain better access. Remember to take note of where each cable connects, as this will be important when reassembling the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the charging port from its position. If the port is stuck, gently wiggle it free, but avoid using excessive force. Once removed, compare the old charging port with the new one to ensure they match. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we can handle the repair for you. Our service includes collection and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about calls or travel. Now, take the new charging port and align it with the screw holes on the motherboard. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is firmly attached, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the port. Next, reconnect any cables you had previously disconnected. Make sure each connection is secure and properly seated. This step is crucial for the functionality of your laptop. Once everything is reconnected, it's time to replace the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear it click into place. Then, reinsert the screws to secure the cover. Finally, power on your Lenovo 15ACH6 and test the new charging port. If it works correctly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the charging port. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, replacing the charging port on your Lenovo 15ACH6 is a manageable task with the right tools and guidance. If you feel uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We're here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.